Eva Trades.
Hello, welcome to Eva Trades. My name's Josh, and today I did some trading. It's already been done. It's in the books. I did a live recording earlier, and I did a live stream, live recording, and for some reason it all crashed and nothing happened. Nothing got recorded. So this is going to be a review. Here we go. And sorry for that intro. I got a little distracted. There's a few things happening here, and I almost wanted to trade some more. You see in your screen there XPON. That little breakout started happening right when I was doing the intro, and I was like, oh, like somebody seeing shiny things, you know. Okay, so you can see my P&L at the top of your screen. Like I said, I started trading this morning, and for some reason, the live stream wasn't streaming, and then all of a sudden, it crashed, and then the recording stopped, and I was just like, oh my gosh. So I just kept trading, and then I thought, well, I'll just do a review. You know, this will be a quick review. I'm not going to go over every single trade in detail, but you can see I lost $56 on XPON. I got caught up right in here. I got green on it right here for a little bit, but then it flushed down really fast right here as I was adding, and I took a huge loss on it. Luckily, I wasn't quite at my daily max loss, or I would have had to stop. I tried a few times to catch the bottom on this 1 minute downtrend. I should have waited for the 1 minute uptrend. I did manage to make back a little bit right here as we started to form a 1 minute higher low and higher high, but only just a little bit. Nice back test here of the VWAP. Well, let's try it. Let's just see what happens. Okay, and then I'm going to flatten it real quick because that's got a big spread on it. So it just made a couple bucks there. So there you go. Now you got to see me trade. That was a pullback to the VWAP trade. And this was the breakout level here, 349. And there we go. Big red volume there, huh? So yeah, let's look over here at the other three stocks that I was watching. Tops was the big winner today, making $94 on Tops. I almost made $100 on this stock on the way up, which is 5 times my daily goal. Now I'm not up 5 times, I'm up $23.15. So I hit my daily goal. But to make that much money on one stock, that's incredible. That's got to be my biggest day that I've had. It is my biggest day that I've had since I started trading live. Not my biggest day, my biggest win on a single stock. So I got into Tops. Where did I get into Tops? No, I don't remember. I think it was down. It was down here. I got into Tops. That's right. I got into Tops down here, right in here on this breakout, and I held it. I was in twice, and I held it, and then I added on this pullback, and I held it through this consolidation, and I added back on the VWAP, and I held this thing all the way up. It pulled back here, and I almost sold it here, but I held it for a little bit longer. And as this candle was breaking out, I sold it. I top ticked that sucker. Got out right there. So that was pretty sweet. I don't normally hold trades that long, but I thought, what the heck? I may as well. My stop losses were at the low of the day, and I was like, well, shoot. You know, if this thing decides it wants to take off and go, well, because what I was seeing here on the 5 minute was a lower low. So I was looking for a higher low. We got the lower low, but no follow through, right? So I was like, well, on one hand, I may just be looking for a lower high somewhere below $1.67, but on the other hand, because we got no follow through, this could very well be the low of the day right here. And so I took a chance on that. I'm like, yeah, maybe that's going to be the low of the day. And so I held and I added on the way up and made big bucks. Small trades here. This one came along FSLY just a little bit before I stopped trading. I started seeing it hit the scan. It was hitting the scan, but I was just ignoring it. So I missed the entire move. Took a small trade on it down here somewhere. I don't quite remember where. Just made a little bit on that one and lost on LYFT. I don't even remember where I traded that. LYFT. Oh, I do remember. Actually, LYFT, I got in right here as we pulled back. As I was anticipating a higher low and higher high, so I get in here and I add for the breakout. And then I'm holding up here and I'm thinking, well, I think it's going to go a little higher because at this point in time, I believe over here we were also breaking out. And I'm like, the market looks strong. I'm going to hold this for a bigger move. Well, then it pulls back, it drops below, it puts me down red on the stock. And I'm like, I'm just going to get out because if this keeps dropping, I'm going to take a bigger loss. So I exited, took my loss on it. Otherwise, I would have been up quite a bit more today. Okay, so I'm entering a trade here. I'm just going to sell it. Oh, I didn't really make a lot on that. That's okay. I'm up $23.72 today. I don't think I'm going to trade anymore, but let's take a look here. Today is the 13th. I've hit my daily goal and I'm good with that. It has been a little bit of a struggle today, considering I was down $54 on one of those stocks. That's not good. Okay. So there's my chart. So, I have a couple more of those days and I'll overtake the highs. And let's see what that does for my road to $1 million. Still sitting at March 30th, so that didn't change things too much for me. So I'm not going to get to my goal till March 30th at my current average, daily average. That'll change. Right now, that's just the way it is. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. Actually, I have to change that in here. 2310. And did I do the right date? Yeah, okay. 2310. Now let's look. Let's look at the road. March 24th. All right. So 6 days sooner than before. Yay. Okay, well, let's take one more look at those charts. Oh, my bad. But yeah, look at that. See, I'm looking for a move up to $2. No, I'm not going to trade it. Oh, man, now this one's breaking out too. Good stuff here. Good stuff. No, I'm going to end up getting caught in something and then losing money, so I'm not going to do it. Let's go back over here. Let me show you what I was... I just gave you that whole spiel and it wasn't even on the right screen, so I apologize for that. This is the road to $1 million. This is the date at which I plan to get to the end of phase one, which I need to make $500. And right now, I'm sitting at $201. So another 1 or 2 winning days like today, and I will be up over my previous high of 231. So once I get to 250, I'll be halfway. That'll be nice. And yeah, so that's going to do it for me. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. I hope your trading day is going fine, and I will try to get that live stream working tomorrow so you can follow along if you'd want. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye.